This is the Insta360 X3, and in this video we're going to show you how to get a perfect clone trail.
That looks like this.
So first of all, mount the X3 on the Invisible Selfie Stick. Next we're going to attach a tripod. And then fully extend the Invisible Selfie Stick. We're going to hit record, and then we're going to stand about 2 or 3 meters away from the camera and proceed to run around in a circle. Then we're going to stop recording and connect the X3 to the Insta360 app. Once inside the app, we're going to tap Stories, select Clone Trail, and tap Use this theme. Then we're going to select the clip we just recorded, and we're going to tap Generate Clone Trail. We'll let the app do its thing, and while it's doing that, if you're finding this video useful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our other videos. Once it's generated the clone trail, it'll give you a preview. Now to export that, just go up to the export symbol here in the top right, export it to the phone album, and tap export. Now you can generate a reverse clone trail by sliding this little button here. Same procedure, the app will do its thing, and then go through the same process to export. And that'll export onto your phone album. So the end result looks like this. So if you want to pick up an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery.
And if you buy using our link, you get the Invisible Selfie Stick for free.
Free. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.